I've had questions with my wife as to whether one of us is arrestable or not, and we've went back and forth on it. Personally, I don't think I'm arrestable. I think my ability to provide offerings in many different ways is far greater and has a greater possibility if I'm not in jail. From what I understand, it's a civil injunction, so there won't be any criminal charges. It won't appear on anyone's record. Though from what I thought I read yesterday, there's an opportunity for people to spend up to 6 months in jail. I don't know how likely that is given the circumstances. If we draw parallels to Clayoquot, I think the longest time spent in jail was 2 weeks. Clayoquot had a really divided feel from the public back then as to what was happening. And it really created a big divide among Canadians. I think this could be a really strategic opportunity from him to reduce the scale of this to only Clayoquot. So I think they know this is way bigger than Clayoquot. I mean, if this has potential to cripple the tar sands development, then this is way bigger than Clayoquot.
It's very important because this is the last stage before they get the pipeline to the Burnaby Inlet, to the wharf. And I'm really more concerned about the Burnaby Inlet and the Salish Sea than I am about the pipeline itself. Yeah, I have a lot of concern and interest in stopping it.
I can for sure see people not leaving. We have till 4 o'clock, I think, to move the camp, to disband the camp, and I don't see that happening. I see some people being arrested. I see some people standing by in support of those who are offering their bodies to this. I see a lot of anger and outrage potential, but I also see a wonderful opportunity for a love story to come out of this.
All right, everyone good? On the count of 3.
I think one of the things I think is most important and what I'm really hoping for is an exploration in ourselves as to what made KM Face such a successful movement. There's a real special something in that because what KM Face, what I believe it did, is it was like all the little Davids being able to poke fun at the companies in a way that didn't present them in a potentially legally affected way. So what KM Face was a fun, accessible way for the regular person who may feel quite uncomfortable to be able to share their voice and their in all the ways you can share your voice to the masses without fear of legal repercussion. And I think if there was a way that we could involve more people without a fear for legal repercussion, you would see this mountain fill with people. So, I mean, I even envision signups where it's like, I'm arrestable, I'm not arrestable, and then the not arrestable camp is thousands huge. I mean, if the entire city of Burnaby showed up here, there's no reason why they would be able to continue. This would garner global attention. So I think if there is a really creative way that people can come together to spread the word about showing up here, but in a way that removes legal responsibility from people, the support for this would really grow.